Thursday, what date is it? The 9th. And we've staged the car here at St. Augustine Marine Center. And we've got our good buddy Glenn coming and picking us up, taking us back to the boat, and then we'll run the boat up for a haul out, for a bottom job, engine maintenance, pod maintenance, light installation, and prop speed on the hardware. Alright, we'll give you continued updates. Like out of the water. Getting our annual maintenance done, getting prop speed put on the drives and tabs, getting new bottom job. She has already received the annual engine maintenance, and the pods have been drained and refilled. So still more going. Everything is getting its final coat. Bottom paint is complete. Trim tabs and drives have prop speed on them. New zincs, new anodes, and we have the lights, which I just pulled wires to the dash for the switch. We're getting close. Could be a Monday departure versus Tuesday, but we'll see what happens. Okay.
Jumpy about that. We had some weird stuff happen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But you're all right for. Just to show the work. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's some weird.
We have the finished product. Prop speed on everything. New zincs, new bottom paint, new lights. Lights are bright. She's off the blocks, on the straps. The dog and the cat are on board. We'll see how that goes. right back to Palm Coast. Thought I'd show you the lights while they're underwater. It's brown water here in Palm Coast, but I got the brightest ones I could buy. Here's what it looks like from the dock. That's a blue. I have white also, but that blue goes pretty well with the accent lights in the boat.